ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Hello, I am Mesfin. Welcome to Amharic Reader Lessons. Lesson 12. In the lesson 11, we have learned the labiovelars kwe, hwe, kwe, hwe, gwe. With the lesson 11, we finish Amharic alphabet. From this lesson 12, we will work out some characteristic of Amharic alphabet. Let us begin with the multiple letters in Amharic. Those are letters pronounced the same but spelled or written differently. Ha, 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 se, a, tse, tse, or he, se, a, tse, tse. Those letters are called in Amharic mokshe fidelat. Multiple letters in Amharic alphabet. Let us read those letters. Ha, ha, se, a, tse, tse. The multiple letters in Amharic have their own proper nouns, and we can differentiate them with this name. This name comes from some words written with those letters. For example, the word haleta is written with the first ha. Hammer is written with the second ha. Negus is written with the second se. Let us read the names of those letters. Ha, haleta. Ha, hammer. Ha, ብዙሃን. Ha, se, እሳት. Se, ንጉስ. A, አሌፍ. A, አይን. Tse, ጸሎት. Tse, ፀሐይ. Or haletaው ha, ሐመሩ ha, ብዙሃኑ ha, እሳቱ se, ንጉሱ se, አሌፉ a, አይኑ a, ጸሎቱ tse, ፀሐዩ tse. If someone wants to write well and smart Amharic language, should use those letters in the right words. But it is not so relevant for speaking and reading. Multiple letters in Amharic alphabet or mokshe fidelat. Ha ግዕዝ, ሁ ካዕብ፣ ሂ ሳልስ፣ ሃ ራብዕ፣ ሄ ሐምስ፣ ህ ሳድስ፣ ሆ ሳብዕ. Let us see those letters group-wise. Ha, se, a, tse. Ha, hu, hi, ha, he, ho. Se, su, si, sa, sie, si, so. A, u, i, a, e, o. Tse, tsu, tsi, tsa, tsie, tsi, so. We have here some words that should almost definitely written with those multiple letters. Ha, hakim. Ha, መጽሐፍ. A, አሳ. Tse, ፀሐይ. ሐኪም, መጽሐፍ, አሳ፣ ፀሐይ. ባህር፣ ሀበሻ፣ ሐውልት፣ ኃይል፣ ሰዓት፣ ስራ 30 ሐሙስ አርብ አባይ ሕግ ንጉስ እህት አይን ህይወት መንግስት ህልም ዓለም አመት እድል. Here we have an example when we can put the multiple letters, for example by numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 3 and 10 are written with the multiple letters. 3 with second se, 10 with second a. And 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And those are the Ge'ez numbers. አንደኛ ሁለተኛ ሶስተኛ አራተኛ አምስተኛ ስድስተኛ ሰባተኛ ስምንተኛ ዘጠነኛ አስረኛ. Here we have the months in Ethiopian calendar. መስከረም ጥቅምት ህዳር ታህሳስ ጥር የካቲት መጋቢት ሚያዝያ ግንቦት ሰኔ ሐምሌ ነሐሴ ጳጉሜ. Here we have weekdays ሰኞ ማክሰኞ ረቡዕ or ሮብ ሐሙስ አርብ ቅዳሜ እሁድ. The Ge'ez numbers, they don't have a symbol for 0. The existence of the multiple letters depend on different reasons. To explain that, we have to go back to history of Ge'ez script. Until this point, we have learned the letters Be, Se, She, Ze, Ke, Ha, Le, A, Ge, Ne, Nye, Te, Che, Ke, Ye, Ha, Pe. Re, Fe, Me, We, Ha, A, Se, De, Je, Pe, Tse, Ha, Te, Che, Ve, Je. The labiovelars in Amharic Kwe, Kui, Kwa, Kwe, Kwe. Hwe, Hui, Hwa, Hwe, Hwe. Kwe, Kui, Kwa, Kwe, Kwe. Hwe, Hui, Hwa, Hwe, Hwe. Gwe, Gui, Gua, Gue, Gue. And here we have Ge'ez numbers. Website to write in Amharic, Lexologos. Here we have the multiple letters, and I will read only the first ones. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Se, Su, Si, Sa, Sie, Se, So. A, U, I, A, E, O. Tse, Tsu, Tsi, Tsa, Tsie, Tsi, Tso. The names of those letters: Haletau Ha, Buzuhanu Ha, Hameru Ha, Isatu Se, Nugusu Se, Alifu A, Ainu A, Tsolotu Tse, Tsahayu Tse. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to be updated with the lessons.